Candace Carter Thoughts to Go. Today, I am introducing you to Fini. Fini's real name is Seraphine. She's from Alsace-Lorraine, and she is my living-in companion. Now, usually, I thought I'd get her to jump around and show you how cute she is, but she's really not in the mood. And to tell the truth, she doesn't usually just let me film her. She doesn't always react. Sometimes she does. She's very independent. That's a wonderful thing about cats, is that they're very independent. Not only cats are good, dogs are good, hamsters are good, rabbits are good, anything living with you, a goldfish, it's good, especially if maybe you're living alone for whatever reason. Now, I'm living alone now since my husband died, and I got Fini not too long after. And I've always had cats, or we've always had cats, but this is now, I had cats with my husband. Now I have Fini alone, and I don't feel alone. She's a wonderful companion. She likes to be petted, of course, and have good things to eat, but she doesn't demand a lot. She just is. Animals are they just are. And and they're always there, and all at once, they reach out to you, or they come in your bed at night, depending, and it's like, you don't have to be alone. And if you don't like animals, maybe, she's gonna move a little for me. Maybe you like plants. How about a planted pot? Plants are very special. You can talk to them. You can plant something in a tree in front of your house, or maybe have a little garden. It's wonderful to get look at me again, you little stinker. It's wonderful to get your hands in the earth, plant something and watch it grow. So, plants and animals, that's my theme, that I think sometimes I truly believe that peace in the world is also helped a great deal through plants and animals, especially house plants and house animals. So you don't have to be alone if you don't want to. Try it out. I can really recommend it. And thank you, Fini, for being my guest today.